Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Gypsy Shiva, and today we are going outside with the family. All the family is going. So we have two cars. One is my family car, the other we rented this car Ertiga for like 800 pesos per day, which is a very good price. It's an automatic car and different from my color, so I like it. And they have a little tinting here on the glasses that you can see, that is not allowed in India. So we're gonna be going in this, and they have give us half tank which we have to return. And right now we are just waiting for all the family to come so we can move, and we are going to Playa Expuha Zapuha. It's near Cenote Cristalino or Barcelo Hotel or Talvez Akumal Century. So it's on the way to Tulum, so we are going there. And right now I'm just, I was just checking the car. So if the car, always check the car for rent before you check everything about the car. You move around, check all the things, record in a video, and then take the car and check the contract is good for you or not, if it includes insurance or not, then only take the car, otherwise not. Amigos, ahora listo para viajar. So now we are going to the Playa Expuja, and hola is mi suegro. So we are going now como like Vagaboom. Now I'm traveling in Ertiga in Mexico like Vagaboom. So I like it. Let's go. So guys, we have walkie-talkie here. Special powers in Mexico to talk between two cars without calling again and again. So this is one walkie-talkie to talk in between the way. Like everything is advanced here than India.
Que lo sigamos.
¿Cómo ven nuestra tecnología, Estamos...
Guys, ahora we are going to Playa Expuja. We are almost there, 10-15 minutes more and we're gonna reach there. Meanwhile, it's a little good to drive it. I'm following the other car, so it's more easy for me to know the way and how to change the lanes and everything. So I know that. And guy, so if Vagaboom, you are listening, I am very inspired by you, and it's the same car, it's the same color of your car. So I really thank you for your videos. It's just that I make videos in English, you make in Spanish. I don't know Spanish, but guy, Vagaboom, you inspire me a lot. Thank you.
Unos segundos.
Guys, we change our plan, so we are going to Akumal now. No Playa Expuja anymore. So let's go to Akumal. I wanted to come here, so it's a good time to actually come to see Akumal. We are just taking the U-turn, and here is the monkey sanctuary if you want to come and see. Here it is. Guys, we are going to the reserve playa, that is the reserve beach for turtles in Tulum and Playa del Carmen, in between Akumal. So we are going there right now, and we change our plan to go to Expuja Playa because they say it's more beautiful, so they change the plan in the end moment, and we just go straight, and we took one left turn to reach Akumal. So guys, here is the list for everything, like foreign visitors $6, 120 pesos. ¿Qué pasó? Here is the van, guys, to go inside.
Yeah.
We have reached Akumal Playa de Akumal, and mira. ¡Órale! Eso es hermoso, ¿eh? Muy hermoso. Guys, it's a reserve for turtles, so if you want to do snorkeling, you can see big turtles here, and it looks beautiful, just like Goa. The water is more different color than Goa, but yeah, it's almost the same, but the trees colors are a little different from what I see. It's a lot different. Wait for the sun to come so you can see all the colors perfectly. Right now it's not showing so much colors because the sun is a little less. There are clouds up, so wait. Guys, now we just sit. Here is the cerveza. Here is mi cuñado Ruben. Tío Ruben, Shivo bebé, tío Ruben is aquí contigo. So the family is taking photos. I'm not in because I want to drink the beer first. And look at the colors now. Look at all the colors. And this is my cuño.
Con cuño, güey.
Mi hermano grande. Sí.
Tranza.
Pepe. So guys, now I'm gonna take one time lapse for the beach and what my family is doing, and look at the colors now of the trees. It's a little different. In India it's a little dark.
Ana, ¿dónde está tu ropa?
La mochila de mi tía.
My family just sitting here. It's mi cuñado, cuño. Let's go inside now. It's time to go. We are in the water right now, and Santi is with me with his floaties for precaution. But look at this, guys. The agua is very fresh and it's not cold at all. I really like the agua. And look at the beach, guys. So there are fishes inside, there are turtles inside, but not here. A little bit more far you will find tortugas or turtles. So it's good. Ah, Chigi! 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 Ah, Chigi! Ah, Chigi! Ah, Chigi! Yeah! You like or not? See? You like or not? You like? So all these boats here are for exploration of basically tortoise, turtles, sea turtles. It's for that. Ah! Wait, look. So guys, all the people you see there are for snorkeling. All the people from there to there, all the people are doing snorkeling there. So we are not doing snorkeling, so no going inside that much. And here is the seaweed also. So guys, I'm con mi cuñada ahora.
Hola.
Hola. Ella es muy bueno onda. Muy bueno conmigo. No lo sé por qué, pero sí.
Así fue.
Guys, it started raining, so I need to change all the position. We are shifting to another place. Guys, look, in 5 minutes what happens. I was just shooting 2 minutes back with my cuñada, and look now. Come. It's frío. Gente que quieres mira tortugas ahora.
Todos tenemos.
Look at this, guys. Fucking beautiful. And now you can see the color that I was talking about. So the thing that happens is that the white sand We can go till there, then is the grass, so we cannot move forward. Come. Ah, it's Rico, right? Yeah, it's warm. Wow, guys, the water is warm. Outside is very cold because of the wind and rain. The kids almost, started to cry because it's very cold. And look at the guy there. He's just chilling, seeing people there. And all the people that went to see the turtles are coming back now. And look at the sky. And look, the rain is coming from there, if you can see. Rain! Look, guys, you can see actually there the rain falling. And it looks so damn beautiful. Look at the sky, guys. Now I am with my nephew, sobrino, Elias. Elias, dice alguna cosa en inglés. Por favor. Hi, ¿qué más? that song. Somewhere over the rainbow, up so high.
Sí, ya vi.
Ahora ponte a nadar.
Hola, digan hola a todos.
Hola.
We just put petrol, and the petrol costs less. It costs 80 rupees per liter. And there is the other car, my cuño, hacer entrar todos. Si eso como es un petrol pump. It's what it looks like one petrol pump in Mexico. Yeah, this is from Xcaret Hotel, so that's why we are stopping here. Loyal employees of Xcaret. Guys, we have come now to eat the dinner because we didn't eat anything since we left, so we're gonna eat something like tacos. So Mexico is all about tacos. And here is baby Santi. Chula. Hello, monkey. Chelo, aquí. Eso es tú. Mira. Otro lado es Viane, Ruben, and Jennifer dormir, sleeping. And here is José Luis.
Hola.
¿Cómo te sientes? ¿Sientes
Bien.
cansado?
Más o menos.
No, más o menos. ¿Quiero dormir ahora o no? No. Quiero ver otra playa de Carmen ahora. No, ¿por qué no? So guys, we reached back home, and that's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. Keep watching, keep subscribing. And it was a very good day with the family. All of us went together. It was really fun, and rest you see in the video whatever we did. See you.